Okay, so this is the video that I have made and I found it really useful. I just saw the comment in the video and I took it from there. Hope this video will be really helpful for you guys. Alright, so this is the podcast which I have watched recently, and in that podcast there is one doctor whose name is Dr. Daniel Emmons, and he's a doctor who has worked on a brain, and he has done many thousands of imaging to see the changes in the brain of psychopath, normal person, or any other mental disorder, or any attention deficit hyperactive disorder or ADD. So I'll be talking about some of the important points that he has made during the podcast. All right, so your brain is involved in everything you do, and it's crucial to take care of it for better mental health. So we can understand it really. It's an easy statement. So avoid substances like drugs, alcohol, excessive caffeine, excessive sugar, as they can negatively impact the brain. I'll be talking about the excessive caffeine and sugar in coming points in this video. Just stay with me. All right, so the next point he has made in the video is spending excessive time on social media around 3 or more than 3 hours can wear out the brain pleasure center and affect the overall happiness. All right, so he also said that his mission is to end mental health illness through a revolution in brain health. uh, I don't know regarding his aim or mission, but I saw some of the bad comments that were made on Dr. Amin's mission, health in a care system. That one lady has mentioned that it was really expensive consultations that her daughter made to Dr. Daniel Emmons, and she was writing some stuff. You can go and check it out if you would like to. So the next, there are many positive comments regarding Dr. Daniel's podcast. All right, so let's move forward. Brain scans can reveal important informations about brain health and potential issues. All right, so we know that toxins like alcohol, marijuana, mold, heavy metals, and infection can negatively affect brain health. Okay, that's not a new thing that we have read out. All right, so head injury, even without hospitalization, can have long-term side effects on the brain, like head injuries, not just like RTA, road traffic accident, just a minimal caution, like if you are a player of soccer, football, or any baseball, rugby, if you have had any kind of concussion or head injury, then also it can affect on your brain. It depends whether it's severe or mild, moderate kind of injury or impact on your brain, but it has some effect. He has mentioned on this. Many mental health disorders are linked to brain health, and focusing on brain health can lead to significant improvement. ADHD can manifest differently, and understanding brain patterns can provide insights in managing it. We know that childhood experiences and family history can provide clue about ADHD and its impact on an individual. So recognizing that you can improve your brain function and health is empowering and can lead to positive changes. If you recognize that you can improve the brain function and its health is empowering, then it has a positive changes. It will lead to a positive changes. All right. So exercise, certain foods, beets, oregano, etc., and supplements like ginkgo. The ginkgo, remember this name, ginkgo, oregano, beets. This can improve blood flow into the brain. Erectile dysfunction can indicate blood flow problem throughout the body, potentially caused by factors likely sedentary lifestyle, obesity, smoking, excessive caffeine, or marijuana uses. Recommended methods for improving blood flow include exercise, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, taking supplements like ginkgo biloba, ginkgo. Loneliness can accelerate brain problems and dementia. Staying socially connected is crucial for mental health. Low omega-3 fatty acid level are prevalent 93% deficiency and can lead to increased inflammation. Increasing omega-3 intake through fish or supplements is always recommended. Gum disease and inflammation are linked, potentially impacting the mental health. Proper dental care is emphasized. Head trauma, including concussion, can have lasting effect on brain function. Proper management and care are essential, which I have said before. Toxins from substances like drug, alcohol, and mercury, as well as common household products, can negatively affect the brain health. Awareness of the product ingredient is encouraged. Mental health plays a significant role in brain development and health. Addressing negative thoughts, patterns, and traumas is crucial for overall well-being. While medication is an option for conditions like ADHD, it should be considered alongside natural approaches. First, natural approaches. If not, then uh, you can go or move on towards the drugs. This goal is to optimize the brain function. Informed consent is key in medical decision. Exploring various options and their pros cons empowers individuals to make informed choice about their health. All right, so ADHD and ADD are different terms for the same conditions. Managing it with combination of strategies tailored to the individuals can lead to improved quality of life. Overcoming negative thoughts patterns involve a process of self-reflection and challenges the truth of those thoughts. This habit, when practiced consistently, can lead to more positive mindsets. All right. So chronic unremitting stress can have detrimental effects on the brain, including changes in the hormonal levels and structural alteration in memory and learning centers. Trauma, whether the big or small, can impact the brain function. The severity of impact depends on the factor likely the individual's existing brain health, the brain reverse, and the type of trauma experience. Dr. Daniel Amen recounts a case of 15 years old with severe brain damage who committed a violent act, emphasizing the importance of understanding brain health in such cases. And this child, he had a gun with himself, and he went to the school. So the family members, take that boy to the home, and that 15 years old child, he killed his family members. And when he did that crime, he was sent to a jail or care um, habit where the small kids are kept over there, just to make their behavior or their habit to rehab kind of place, where again he committed a crime and killed around more than 20 or around rough figures 20 to 30 people inside that camp. So it was a, and then his scan was done by Dr. Daniel and his team. So he has discussed regarding this case. And the psychopaths and murderers may exhibit a low frontal lobe function, but in all cases are the same. Individual's brain scan reveals unique patterns. Dr. Amin also suggests that both former President Trump and President Biden might not have optimal brain health, raising questions about the mental fitness of political leaders. Discussing the potential implications of brain scanning for job assessment, he believes it may lead to increased scrutiny even in lower level positions. He also emphasized that importance of having clear, specific life plan to align behavior with desired outcome. He highlights the significance of positive habits in shaping brain function behaviors, stressing the impact of repeated action on brain pathway. He cautious caution against excessive exposure to negative content, particularly in news consumption, which can negatively impact the mental well-being. He discusses the effects of infections like COVID-19 on the brain, highlighting the potential long-term impact on mental health. He underscores the importance of optimizing hormone levels, addressing diabetes, weight-related issue, and high blood sugar, prioritizing quality sleep for overall brain health. Uh, Breath work, including the 15-second breathing exercise, is recommended by Dr. Amin as a simple practice to support the brain health and managing anxiety. Heart rate variability (HRV) is important for health. Higher HRV indicates better heart health. Babies with high HRV are considered healthy. Alcohol can significantly lower heart rate variability. Low HRV is associated with higher risks of anxiety, depression, and heart disease. Even a small amount of alcohol can cause damage to the brain, particularly white matter. Avoiding alcohol can lead to healthier brain. Relationship are and intimacy are influenced by brain function. Understanding your partner brain type can improve intimacy and libido. Male and female brains functions differently. Women tend to have better frontal lobe function. Sorry for that. Let me move on to the points that I have recently talked about. Women tend to have better frontal lobe function, making them excel in impulse control, collaborations, and communications. Saunas and exercise are beneficial for brain health. Saunas, in particular, are linked to lower rate of Alzheimer's disease. Obesity affects the brain size and function as weight increases, brain size and function decreases. Counting calories and avoiding excessive eating is crucial. Excessive screen time can negatively impact the brain, leading to increased risks of anxiety, depression, addiction, obesity, and ADHD. Excessive social media use can lead to one-hour pleasure center in the brain, contributing to mental health issues and decreased self-esteem. Depression and dementia risks increases with ages. Accomplishing tasks gives a sense of purpose and satisfaction in midlife. Cultivating happiness is a habit. Reflecting positive moments throughout the day can contribute to a happier outlook on life. Scheduling habits like breath work and gratitude exercise into your calendar increase the likelihood of making them a regular part of your routine. Making small changes in diet, hydration, reducing caffeine intake, and prioritizing self can transformative when turned into routines. Happiness is seen as a moral obligation influenced by Dennis Prazer's perspective. Understanding that personal happiness impact those around you is key to personal growth and positive interactions. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much for the podcast, for to Dr. Amin and the person who has written down this comment. Thank you very much. Hats off to all